Hi guys, here I am at the Dollar Tree. Let's check out what they have in books today, guys. Okay, so over here we have Reinventing IKEA. Guys, that's new. I think that's new, guys. Okay, the Infinity of You and Me. Then they have this one is a recipe for cooking. That's new. I never seen that before. This one is the Quick Six Fix, and this one is Steve Spurrier, head coach. The lion is the hunter. And this one is how to write. Teddy and Me. Let me be frank with you. This one I think we've seen before. Then we have Dear Reader. Okay, Good Morning, Midnight. Okay, Supersedes. So the Complete Guide to Cooking with Power Pack Chia. Oh, this is a very good book, guys. I love that. That is so good for you. I have to start getting back into juicing. Okay, so I'm glad about you. The futures, stags. I don't want to knock this down, guys. That's why I don't pull it out. Let me see. But those names, they sound like they're new. Then this one we've seen before. Okay, and let's see. This one here is A Wedding in Maine. I don't think we've seen that one. See, those must be new. So let's see over here. Let's start on this side. So this one here is not new. Okay, My Side of the Street. I'll just point out what I think is new. Let's see. I think this one is new. This one isn't. Okay, The Last Days of Night. The Lioness Hunter. Okay, Mona in the Promised Land. This is Revival. This is Kathy Gifford's book. This one here. I think that's, oh, well, that's not new. I showed that to you. And this one is Not About Perfect. Okay. Then The Secret Sky. And somebody stuck a picture frame in there. That doesn't belong in there. And then look at this. Dragon Art Drawing Workshop. Isn't that cute? And it comes with a DVD, a CD. Rag Darlings, that's new. Last Suppers, we've seen this one. Okay, Meat Hooked. My Life to Live. Super Supreme Sing. The Happy. Heartache Blues. Lose the Final 15. Okay, those are not new. And then this one here, Being a Dad is Weird. That's not new either, guys. So let's see if we can find something here. Scarlett Epstein Hates It Here. Okay. Now these guys, these books, I can't really move too much. So this one here is Mona in the Promised Land. Let's see. So this one here says The Golden State. Love Warrior. This one is Blackmail. Podge. We Are Still Tornadoes. He Said, She Said. Black Wing. The Good Deed. The Book of Polly. I don't think I heard that one. A Truck Full of Money. Okay, so I don't want to touch any more of those. So let's come down here and see what's over here, guys. So somebody threw a spray bottle over here. I don't understand these things, guys. But what can you do, you know? These are spoils. I know I showed you that one. This one, it says Fail You. This one is Midnight Cool. This one is Though This Be Madness. Then Owen Shears. Then Live Fast, Die Hot. Confessions of a Secular Follower of Jesus. Okay, we're seeing that one. All right. Casting Lots. What is this one over here? Let's see. Oops, they're already sliding, guys. Let me see. All right, so what is this one here? This one is The Innocent Have Nothing to Fear. That's a new book, guys. Then Age of Consent. That's this one. Guys, that's a new book too. Okay, and Merchants in the Temple. After Iris. That's a new book, guys. Okay, and then what is this one over here? I don't know, but it looks new. All right, and then on the bottom here we have these big humongous activity books. So guys, we have a very small book section. Just wanted to show it to you. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.